All right, guys, 2020 Toyota Tundra, 5.7 liter I-Force. Really beautiful truck. This guy came all the way from Atlanta to get it done with us here in Nashville, Tennessee. So what we got done for him, we got factory converters there and there. Then it usually comes to dual in, single out muffler. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. He wanted to keep it single, so we put him a Y pipe on it. We made him a custom Y pipe and then put him CARVEN R series, part number somewhere. CVESR 25. There'll be a link in the description for the Y pipe and the CARVEN. And then we also put them a 4-inch tip, black, as you guys can see right there. Roll tip. This is the original muffler we cut off of it. Comes single out, dual in, right there. Like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Ooh, much better. Yeah, that sounds really good. You like it? Yeah. There's sound decibels on it, guys. 109. Go ahead and back it up. Oh yeah, that sounds really nice. CARVEN never disappoints. Toyota Tundra 2020 with CARVEN R's. Let you guys hear on the inside.